You might not realize it, but the key to healing your inner feminine could be in forgiving your mother. Stay with me to discover the 9 signs that show you have embarked on this transformative journey. Forgiveness is a powerful tool that can unlock deep personal growth and spiritual awakening. By letting go of past hurts and embracing forgiveness, you allow yourself to heal and thrive. Your inner feminine, the nurturing and intuitive part of you, becomes stronger and more balanced. This journey is not just about healing your relationship with your mother. It's about healing yourself and finding peace within. Imagine waking up each day feeling lighter, more connected, and at peace with your past. This is what awaits you as you heal your inner feminine through forgiveness. If you don't heal your inner feminine, you may struggle with inner peace and self-love. Unhealed wounds can manifest in various aspects of your life, causing emotional turbulence and affecting your relationships. However, by forgiving your mother, you open doors to profound personal growth and spiritual awakening. This act of forgiveness is not just for her. It's for you. It frees you from the chains of resentment and allows you to step into your true power. Your journey of healing can lead to a more harmonious life, filled with love and understanding. The stakes are high because your emotional well-being and spiritual growth depend on it. Without this healing, you might find yourself stuck in a cycle of pain and discontent. But with forgiveness, you can transform your life and elevate your spirit. The benefits are immense: deeper connections, a clearer mind, and a heart full of love. This journey is about reclaiming your peace and embracing your true self. The first sign that you have healed your inner feminine by forgiving your mother is experiencing a deeper sense of inner peace. This peace is not just a fleeting feeling. It is a profound shift within you. You no longer carry the weight of past grievances or the heavy burden of unresolved issues. Instead, you feel lighter, calmer, and more centered. This inner peace manifests in various ways. You might notice that you are less reactive to situations that used to trigger you. Your mind is no longer plagued by constant negative thoughts about the past. Instead, you find yourself focusing more on the present moment and appreciating the here and now. This newfound peace also brings a sense of clarity. Decisions that once seemed difficult now feel easier to make. You trust your intuition more and feel confident in your choices. Your sleep improves, as your mind is no longer restless with unresolved emotions. Waking up feels different. There is a sense of calm and readiness to face the day. The impact of this inner peace extends to your relationships. You find yourself more patient and understanding with others. Conflicts are resolved more smoothly as you approach them from a place of calm rather than agitation. This peace allows you to be more present with your loved ones, enhancing the quality of your interactions. Overall, this deeper sense of inner peace is a clear sign that you have begun to heal your inner feminine. It shows that you have let go of past hurts and embraced forgiveness, creating space for tranquility and harmony in your life. This peace is the foundation upon which you can build a more balanced and fulfilling existence. The second sign that you have healed your inner feminine by forgiving your mother is an improvement in your relationships with other women. When you carry unresolved issues with your mother, it can often affect how you interact with other women in your life. Forgiving your mother allows you to release these negative patterns and opens your heart to more positive and nurturing connections. As you heal, you may notice that you feel more comfortable and at ease around other women. There is a newfound sense of trust and camaraderie that was previously lacking. You find it easier to connect on a deeper level, share your feelings, and offer support. This change is not just in how you interact with close friends, but also with acquaintances and even strangers. Your perception of other women changes as well. You begin to see them as allies rather than competitors. The jealousy or insecurity that may have once clouded your interactions is replaced with genuine appreciation and admiration. This shift creates a more harmonious and supportive environment where you lift each other up rather than tear each other down. These improved relationships extend beyond personal connections. In professional settings, you find yourself collaborating more effectively with female colleagues. The sense of solidarity and mutual respect enhances teamwork and productivity. You become a source of inspiration and support, fostering a positive atmosphere wherever you go. Healing your inner feminine by forgiving your mother also allows you to be a better role model for younger women. You demonstrate through your actions the importance of compassion, understanding, and forgiveness. This influence helps create a ripple effect, encouraging others to embark on their own healing journeys. The improvement in your relationships with other women is a significant sign that you have healed your inner feminine. This healing brings about deeper connections, mutual support, and a more positive view of womanhood. By letting go of past hurts and embracing forgiveness, you create space for love and understanding to flourish. The third sign that you have healed your inner feminine by forgiving your mother is a greater level of self-acceptance and self-love. This transformation is profound and touches every aspect of your life. When you forgive your mother, you release the negative emotions that have been holding you back. This act of forgiveness allows you to embrace yourself fully, with all your strengths and imperfections. Self-acceptance means acknowledging and honoring who you are. You no longer feel the need to seek validation from others or conform to societal expectations. Instead, you stand confidently in your truth, knowing that you are enough just as you are. This shift in perspective brings a sense of relief and freedom. With self-acceptance comes self-love. You start treating yourself with the kindness and compassion that you deserve. Negative self-talk diminishes, and you replace it with positive affirmations. You recognize your worth and prioritize your well-being. This self-love is evident in how you care for your body, mind, and spirit. This newfound self-love also changes how you handle challenges and setbacks. Instead of being harsh on yourself, you approach these situations with patience and understanding. You see mistakes as opportunities for growth rather than reasons for self-criticism. This compassionate approach fosters resilience and personal growth. The impact of greater self-acceptance and self-love extends to your interactions with others. You set healthy boundaries and surround yourself with people who respect and value you. Toxic relationships no longer have a place in your life, as you prioritize connections that uplift and support you. Your inner strength and self-assuredness inspire others to treat you with the same respect and care. In essence, greater self-acceptance and self-love are clear signs that you have healed your inner feminine. By forgiving your mother, you have released the burdens of the past and embraced your true self. This healing allows you to live authentically and fully, creating a life filled with joy, peace, and love. The fourth sign that you have healed your inner feminine by forgiving your mother is increased emotional resilience. Emotional resilience is the ability to cope with and bounce back from difficult situations. It is a crucial aspect of mental health and well-being, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with grace and strength. As you forgive your mother and heal your inner feminine, you develop a stronger emotional foundation. You no longer carry the heavy emotional baggage of past grievances. Instead, you face challenges with a clearer mind and a balanced heart. This resilience manifests in your ability to remain calm and composed in stressful situations. Increased emotional resilience means that you are less likely to be overwhelmed by negative emotions. You can process and release feelings of anger, sadness, or frustration more effectively. This does not mean that you suppress these emotions. Rather, you acknowledge them and deal with them in a healthy way. You have learned to trust your emotional strength and rely on it to guide you through tough times. This resilience also enhances your ability to empathize with others. Having gone through your own healing journey, you are more understanding and supportive of those facing their struggles. Your experiences allow you to offer genuine compassion and advice, creating deeper and more meaningful connections. Furthermore, emotional resilience impacts your decision-making. You approach problems with a solution-oriented mindset, confident in your ability to handle whatever comes your way. This confidence extends to your personal and professional life, where you take on challenges with a positive and proactive attitude. Increased emotional resilience is a significant sign that you have healed your inner feminine. By forgiving your mother, you have built a strong emotional foundation that allows you to face life's ups and downs with grace and strength. This resilience not only benefits you, but also those around you, as you become a source of support and inspiration. The fifth sign that you have healed your inner feminine by forgiving your mother is feeling more balanced and grounded. This balance is a fundamental aspect of overall well-being, allowing you to navigate life with stability and confidence. When you forgive your mother, you let go of emotional turbulence that may have kept you feeling unsteady and disconnected. Feeling balanced and grounded means you have a stable emotional core. Your moods are more consistent, and you can maintain a sense of calm even in the face of challenges. This inner stability reflects in your daily routines and habits. You find it easier to stay organized, manage your time, and prioritize tasks effectively. Grounding yourself also connects you deeply with the present moment. You are more mindful of your actions and decisions, fully engaged in your experiences without being distracted by past regrets or future anxieties. This mindfulness enhances your ability to enjoy life's simple pleasures and appreciate the beauty in everyday moments. Moreover, feeling balanced and grounded improves your physical health. Stress and anxiety often manifest as physical symptoms, but as you heal emotionally, these symptoms diminish. You feel more energized and have a greater capacity for physical activities, which further contributes to your sense of well-being. In relationships, this balance allows you to interact with others from a place of stability and strength. You can handle conflicts more effectively, communicate clearly, and offer support without feeling overwhelmed. Your presence becomes a source of calm for those around you, fostering healthier and more harmonious connections. In essence, feeling more balanced and grounded is a clear indication that you have healed your inner feminine. This healing process has allowed you to establish a solid foundation of emotional and physical well-being, enabling you to live a more harmonious and fulfilling life. The sixth sign that you have healed your inner feminine by forgiving your mother is a stronger intuition. Intuition is your inner guidance system, helping you make decisions that align with your true self. As you heal your inner feminine, this intuitive sense becomes more pronounced and reliable. A stronger intuition means you can trust your inner voice without hesitation. You no longer second-guess your instincts or seek external validation for your decisions. This confidence in your intuition empowers you to make choices that support your well-being and growth. This enhanced intuition also helps you navigate relationships. You can sense the true intentions of others more clearly, allowing you to surround yourself with people who genuinely support and uplift you. You avoid toxic relationships and gravitate towards those who resonate with your energy and values. In your personal and professional life, a stronger intuition guides you towards opportunities that align with your purpose. You feel a deeper connection to your goals and aspirations, making it easier to pursue them with determination and focus. This intuitive guidance also helps you identify and overcome obstacles, ensuring a smoother path towards success. Moreover, a stronger intuition enhances your spiritual practices. Whether through meditation, prayer, or other forms of spiritual connection, you feel more attuned to your higher self and the universe. This spiritual alignment brings a sense of peace and clarity, reinforcing your overall sense of purpose. A stronger intuition is a significant sign that you have healed your inner feminine. By forgiving your mother, you have cleared the emotional clutter that once clouded your inner guidance system. This healing allows you to trust yourself more deeply and make decisions that support your highest good. The seventh sign that you have healed your inner feminine by forgiving your mother is the healing of physical symptoms related to feminine health. Emotional and spiritual well-being are closely linked to physical health, and as you heal emotionally, your body responds positively. Forgiving your mother can release deep-seated emotional stress that manifests as physical symptoms. You might notice improvements in areas that were previously problematic, such as menstrual health, hormonal balance, and overall vitality. These physical changes are a testament to the profound impact of emotional healing on the body. As you heal your inner feminine, you may experience fewer symptoms related to stress, such as headaches, fatigue, and digestive issues. Your body feels more aligned and functions more smoothly, reflecting the inner harmony you have achieved. This improvement in physical health allows you to engage more fully in daily activities and pursue your passions with greater energy. Healing these physical symptoms also enhances your self-confidence. You feel more comfortable in your body and more connected to its natural rhythms. This connection fosters a deeper appreciation for your physical self and encourages you to take better care of your health through nutrition, exercise, and self-care practices. The link between emotional and physical health becomes evident as you continue to heal. You recognize that caring for your emotional well-being directly impacts your physical state, motivating you to maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle. This holistic approach to health ensures that you continue to thrive in all aspects of your life. In essence, the healing of physical symptoms related to feminine health is a clear sign that you have healed your inner feminine. By forgiving your mother, you have addressed the emotional roots of these physical issues, allowing your body to heal and flourish in harmony with your spirit. The eighth sign that you have healed your inner feminine by forgiving your mother is enhanced creativity and expression. Creativity is a powerful aspect of the inner feminine, and as you heal, you unlock new levels of creative potential. Forgiving your mother removes emotional blockages that may have stifled your creative expression. You feel more inspired and free to explore your artistic abilities, whether through writing, painting, music, or other forms of creativity. This creative energy flows more naturally, allowing you to express yourself authentically and joyfully. Enhanced creativity also manifests in problem-solving and innovation. You approach challenges with a fresh perspective and find unique solutions that may have eluded you before. This creative approach extends to all areas of your life, from personal projects to professional endeavors. Your ability to express yourself verbally and emotionally improves as well. You feel more confident sharing your thoughts and feelings, knowing that they are valid and valuable. This open expression fosters deeper connections with others as you communicate more honestly and effectively. Creativity also becomes a source of healing and empowerment. Engaging in creative activities brings joy and fulfillment, providing a healthy outlet for emotions. This creative process allows enhanced creativity and expression are significant signs that you have healed your inner feminine. By forgiving your mother, you have unlocked your creative potential and embraced your authentic self. This healing allows you to live more fully and expressively, enriching your life and the lives of those around you. The ninth sign that you have healed your inner feminine by forgiving your mother is a deeper spiritual connection. Spirituality is a core aspect of the inner feminine, and as you heal, you feel more attuned to your spiritual path and the universe. A deeper spiritual connection means that you feel a stronger bond with your higher self and the divine. You experience moments of profound insight and clarity, where you understand your purpose and place in the world. This connection brings a sense of peace and fulfillment that transcends everyday concerns. This enhanced spirituality also impacts your daily practices. Whether through meditation, prayer, or other spiritual rituals, you feel more connected and present. These practices become a source of strength and guidance, helping you navigate life's challenges with grace and wisdom. You also find that your intuition and spiritual awareness are heightened. You notice synchronicities and signs from the universe, guiding you towards your highest good. This spiritual alignment helps you make decisions that are in harmony with your true self and purpose. Your relationships benefit from this deeper spiritual connection as well. You attract people who share your spiritual values and support your growth. These connections are more meaningful and fulfilling as they resonate with your soul's journey. A deeper spiritual connection is a clear sign that you have healed your inner feminine. By forgiving your mother, you have strengthened your bond with the divine and embraced your spiritual path. This healing allows you to live with greater purpose and fulfillment, enriching your life and the lives of those around you. Healing your inner feminine by forgiving your mother is a transformative journey that brings profound benefits. From experiencing deeper inner peace and improved relationships with other women to developing greater self-acceptance, increased emotional resilience, and a stronger intuition, the signs of healing are clear and impactful. You feel more balanced, grounded, and connected to your physical and spiritual well-being. Your creativity and expression flourish, and you experience a deeper spiritual connection that guides your path. This journey of healing is not just about letting go of past hurts. It is about embracing your true self and living a life of harmony and fulfillment. By forgiving your mother, you free yourself from the chains of resentment and open the door to profound personal and spiritual growth. Your life becomes a testament to the power of forgiveness and the strength of the human spirit. Embrace this journey with an open heart and trust that you are on the path to becoming your most authentic and empowered self. Peace and light to you on your continued journey of healing and growth.